This is how I put on my brace elastics. This one is attached to the canine and to the molar to move the centre line. And this one attaches to the canine, the top molar, bottom molar and bottom canine, and this is so that the gaps close. I am using class 2 elastics on both sides. The same is done for the other side. The bottom elastic attaches to the top elastic to help move the centre line. And then a box is made around the top canine and the molars and finally the bottom canine. So the sides are symmetrical with the boxes.